In this guide, I'm going to show you how to buy GTA 6 Ultimate Edition on PlayStation Store for PS5 tutorial. This is the easiest method. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now you can do this on your PS5, your phone, your computer, it doesn't really matter, but open up the PlayStation Store on whatever device you're on, or just go to PlayStation.com if you're on PC or laptop, and essentially what you need to do is just tab over to the PlayStation Store and scroll down a little bit and you're going to see Grand Theft Auto 6, or just search for GTA 6 and open it up. You're going to see two different versions on here. You're going to see the Ultimate Edition or the Standard Edition. Go and choose the Ultimate Edition. If for whatever reason it only opens up one, you could select these three dots and then choose Ultimate Edition from within here. But the Ultimate Edition is going to be the one that costs obviously more money. It's about 100 USD. I think with taxes, it's about 108 if I'm remembering correctly, but you just got to go ahead and select it and you can purchase it and pre-order it from here. Now, the Ultimate Edition, let's just be honest, is better. It's going to include extra content compared to the Standard Edition, which is bonus missions, weapons, clothing, vehicle, and other in-game items. So I'd recommend the Ultimate Edition, but just confirm purchase and then make sure, of course, you are on the same account and you'll be able to download it once that pre-download becomes available. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.